chicken wings here, whole ones. We're gonna get some ham on them, season them up, and throw them on the grill outside and see how that goes. And we'll be back in a minute. So Ray put these wings on. We're running about 400 degrees, which is about right. I'm gonna spray some ham around the grates there. We want to put the big side towards the fire. It's just a family pack of wings. They all should fit on here. Might have to tighten some of them up, but we'll get them all on here. We'll let that go for about 20 minutes and then we'll come back out and check. We're going to go in and make our sauce real quick. We're going to make a little bit of a barbecue sauce here. We got a little butter, some Rufus tea, and then we're going to use a little hot honey. I'm going to say this is salted butter. You can use unsalted. It's about all we have in our house. So about maybe that much.
About a tablespoon.
Shake this up. About that much. Maybe.
That's probably about a quarter of a cup.
We like a little heat, so we put a couple dabs of that.
Tablespoon or so.
I would say. Now we're going to put out there on the grill and let it kind of mix together. We'll get you back in a little bit. We're going to attempt these, see where we're at, and we're going to flip them. Not looking too bad. We're going to have to go a little longer. That's Celsius. So we're good. We're about 165. So we're going to flip them. We're going to flip them, give them another 15 minutes. Seasoning didn't stay very well on the back end of it, but sometimes that's what happens when you're barbecuing. So we'll see in about 15 minutes. We're still running. Well, the lid was off, but we'll be back up to about 350, 375 here in about a couple minutes. We're getting ready to sauce our wings. So we're just saucing our wings. Turn my phone off. We'll probably let this sit up here for about 5 minutes. Then we'll flip them and do it again on the other side. Looks like I should have made a little more. Yep, we'll give these 5 minutes and then we'll sauce the other side. I had to go back and make a little more sauce. We're getting ready to flip these and sauce the other end and let them go for about another 5 minutes. And then I'll probably take a few of it and I'll put a little char on them. I like a little char, and leave the other half another way. But we'll get this other end sauced up, and we'll be back and show you the final product. I char a few of them just to show you, depending what you like. Get some of these that look pretty good here. These are going to be a little messy, I have a feeling.
They look tasty. So you just had your coals in the middle?
Yeah. One of these days I'll get a cylinder for it.
What they look like coming off of the char.
Let's have our taste test of these fine wings. They look fine right now. Tear one apart here. Oh yeah. They're pretty tender. They're very hot, but they're good and messy. But I'd like to thank Vicki Flushhour for filming our four-legged buster here that thinks he helps. And you all have a good day, and we'll see you next time.